Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing materials that interact well: paper, acetate, paint, and a camera or phone. Once chosen, make a quick 10-20 frame plan so you have a forward path. This prevents endless tinkering. Lay out a small 1/2-inch registration guide so layers align, and test one simple flip sequence to confirm exposure and spacing. You want to catch problems early, so take a single test capture and review playback before committing to long sequences. You lock the camera and exposure because consistency is essential for smooth motion. Start with the base animation frames, simple drawings or cutouts, then place acetate overlays for paint, ink, or texture. Photograph after each small change. Once done, use an onion skin reference or mark frame numbers so you shift elements by 1-3 frames, creating subtle motion. Make sure to vary timing, hold some frames longer for emphasis, and photograph with controlled lighting to avoid flicker. You import all captures into an editor and align frames to your target frame rate, usually 12 to 24 FPS depending on style. Then color-correct overlapping layers and add sound or simple effects to sell the motion. Once done, export using H.264 for good quality and small files. If you encounter flicker or jitter, reshoot the problematic frames, stabilize in software, or match exposure precisely. This single troubleshooting step fixes most mixed media.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.